Hello all, welcome to session 59 of Selenium Python Training series. In this session, I am going to practically demonstrate one of the Selenium WebDriver commands in Python, that is find element by CSS selector command. So let's get started. What exactly is this command? Using this command in Selenium Python, we can locate the UI elements on the web pages using CSS selector locator. If your purpose is to locate the UI elements on the web pages using CSS selector locator in Selenium Python, then we have to use this command guys. Now let me practically demonstrate this command for you. For that, firstly, I will launch PyCharm. Here we have the Python file having some sample Selenium automation code already written for opening the Chrome browser, for maximizing the browser, for opening the application URL in the browser like this. Once application URL is open in the browser like this, I want to click on the login button. Okay, this particular login button, without entering the username and password, I want to click on this login button. When you click on the login button here, you will get this alert saying error password or username. Okay, if you are getting this alert, that means this login button has been clicked. Now let's write the automation code for clicking on this login button. So right click on this login button, inspect, select inspect, and you will get the HTML code of this login button here. As you can see, this HTML code doesn't have any ID attribute or name attribute or class name attribute. And also this is a button guys, it's not a hyperlink. So anchor tags are also not there. So all the locators are not possible. ID, name, class name, link text are not possible for this login button, for locating this login button. So what is the solution in this case? Which locator we have to use in this case for locating this login button? In this case, we have to use the next priority locator, that is CSS selector locator. Okay, the next priority locator, that is CSS selector locator. How to generate the CSS selector locator for this login button? For that, click on this double arrow and select the selectors hub here. I already explained how to install selectors hub and how to use selectors hub for auto generating the CSS selectors and exports for this any UI elements on the web pages in one of the previous sessions. Hoping that you already know the functionality of the selectors hub, I'll directly copy the CSS selector of this login button. Okay, you can right click inspect on this login button and the selectors hub will auto generate the CSS selector for you. Okay, copy this and go to the script and here type driver dot, which command we have to use? We have to use driver dot find element by CSS selector command. Okay, using this command, okay, we can locate the elements on the web pages using the CSS selector. Okay, by passing the CSS selector locator to this command, we can locate the elements on the web pages. Now, which operation I want to perform on this login button? Click operation. So I'll be using click command. Now run this code. It will click on the login button, guys. Okay, using the CSS selector locator, that command will click on the login button on the application page. As you can see, you got this alert message saying error password or username, which will only happen when you click on the login button without providing the username and password. That means login button has been successfully clicked using this particular locator. Okay, this command is able to successfully locate the element on the web page using this particular CSS selector locator. So hope guys you understood how to use this command in Selenium WebDriver as part of Python. So that's it guys. See you in the next video session. Thank you. Bye.